I convey my best wishes for your future and let your future be a bright.
We have been meet this 2 years ago. This is socks is we call in Japanese.
Chicken fried rice.
Korean cold drink and drinks and all. But we're not using alcohol today. Not my best friend. Being with me is not a problem, but I really want to thank those who are sitting over there.
What is his name?
His name is Maisibe. He's my friend.
Where he is from?
He's from Ekapelo, right?
Kailo.
I'm not going to say Ekapelo, I'm going to say Ekapelo. By the way,
Mister, can you please kindly present one song? As today is a happy birthday of Mr. Teuwangkam.
Best friend.
Whoa!
Happy birthday, Mr. Teuwangkam. Happy birthday, Mr. Teuwangkam.
Yeah, as you all know, Mr. Teuwangkam is the best singer among our community. Okay, he's a birthday boy, and I do really thanks for your invitation. That because of your invitation, I could able to be present here. So, and you
and I really want to thank you, the YouTuber that his name is Jeliangbe, and I really want to thank him that he's doing every time and every person. It's not my only birthday, and another birthday, kind of those who are participating in the birthday used to do the person. So I really want to thank to my best friend Jeliang. Wow.
Bye.
Just given by Jeliang.
Ponte a comprar el nuevo.
La gestura ahí.
Ese saca, tenga. 자, 더 올라가게. 이번에 띵띵 떠고 되기다.
Sam. They run.
And the winner is both.
We have finished our party, so we are going back to our.
Moving on.
Yeah, we are moving.
No, that's all.